Welcome everyone. So in the previous video, we talked about the arithmetic operators and we also did practices with those 5 arithmetic operators. So addition. The addition means the sum of 2 numbers. When you use this operator, if you use this operator with 2 operands that are numbers, then you will get the addition. If 2 operands, both of them are not numbers, okay? If one of those 2 operands are not numbers, if it is a string, then you would get the concatenation. Okay? So there are 2 use cases when it comes to this operator. So you can apply this operator to 2 numbers to get the sum of those 2 numbers, or you can apply this operator to a string and some different data to get the concatenation. So as long as you have a string when you use this operator, either on the left or the right, either the left operand or the right operand is a string, then at the end it's going to return you the concatenation. Okay. So when you use this operator, there are 75 chance that you will get the concatenated result. The only time that you will get the addition result is if both operands are numbers. Let's take a look at some of those examples here. If you look at this first print statement in this example, we are applying this operator to two integers, right? Those 2 operands that we have on the left and on the right side of this operator are integers. Since both of them are numbers, it is going to return you addition, which is the sum of those 2 numbers, and it will give you 4. And in the next print statement, you see the left operand that we have is integer, a number. But the operand on the right side of this plus operator is a string. So you apply this plus operator to one integer and one string. Since not both of them are numbers, then you will get concatenation. Therefore, CYDEO is concatenated to this integer 2, and it will return you to CYDEO. And remember, concatenation at the end, it will return you a string. So the 2 CYDEO that is returned here is a string of text. Okay? And in the third print statement, we have the string on the left operand, and we have a number on the right operand. The right operand is a number, and left operand is a string. So therefore, this plus operator, it is going to return us the concatenation. So 2 will be concatenated to this string CYDEO, and then it's going to return us CYDEO 2. Okay? And if you have strings on both right and left side of this operator, if left and right both operands are string, then when you use this operator, it will still return you string. It will still give you the concatenation, and this concatenation is going to be one string at the end. Okay? Which is CYDEO is the best. This is our concatenation result. Now let's take a look at this practice task. In this practice task, we need to analyze what will be the output of those following code fragments. First, at the first line, we have print statement that is adding 3 to 5. And then in the second print statement, we have 3 plus 5 plus a string CYDEO plus 3 and plus 5. And then the last print statement, we have 3 plus 5 plus a string of text CYDEO plus, and then within the parentheses, we have 3 plus 5. Okay? So let's work on this task together. Please create a new class under this package module 11, name it addition versus concatenation. Versus concatenation. Okay. And I'm going to write those 3 print statements one by one, and we will analyze them. So here's our first print statement, which contains 3 plus 5. Since both operands are, this is an operand, and this is also an operand. And this one right here is operator, right? Since both operands are integers, both of them are numbers. Therefore, it is going to give me addition. Addition means sum of those 2 numbers, which will be 8. See, I ended up getting 8 on console. And the next print statement that we have, it contains 3 plus 5 plus and string of text CYDEO, and then plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so you have multiple plus operators here. And now what's the execution order when you have multiple plus operators? The execution will be from left to right. Okay, so before I run the program, I'm going to analyze one by one. I will execute each of the plus operator one by one from left to right and see what we will get. So when this plus operator gets executed, it is going to give us 8, right? 8, okay. And you still have plus CYDEO, plus 3, plus 5, okay. And what about when this plus operator gets executed now? Now you have a number in the left operand and you have a string on the right operand, okay. The left operand is a number and right operand is a string. So when you use this plus operator, you will get concatenation result, right? So the concatenation will give you 8 CYDEO. And of course, concatenation, it will return you the data as a string, right? Concatenation is the action of linking things together, and it is going to return it as a string after linking them. And then we have those two operators, plus 3, plus 5. And execution order is still going to be from left to right. So which means here, 3 plus this string will give you a string concatenation, which is 8 CYDEO 3. And then we still have this plus 5 operator. Okay, we still have one more plus operator, which is adding 5. And since this is a string, this is a number, with this plus operator, we will get concatenation result also. So this concatenation result at the end, it's going to be 8 CYDEO 3 5. So let's run our program. You see, this is exactly what I ended up getting. And we also have one more print statement. In this last print statement, we have we have 3 plus 5 plus string of text CYDEO plus, but this time we have a parenthesis, which is grouping the addition of 3 plus 5. Okay. So we have to follow the operator precedence, right? Which one of them will be executed first? Which one of those operator gets executed first? The one in the parenthesis, right? So therefore, if the one that in the parenthesis gets executed, what will it return us when this one gets executed? It will return us 8. Okay? And how about now? Which one gets executed next afterwards? Since right now I have 3 plus operators, the execution order will be from left to right. Okay? So now we need to execute it from left to right. If it gets executed from left to right, 3 plus 5 will give us 8. Okay? And I still have this plus CYDEO plus 8. How about now? In the next step, we have this 8 as a number plus string of text CYDEO, which means it's going to give me concatenation. Concatenation will give me 8 CYDEO. Okay, and we still have this one more plus operator. And when the last plus operator gets executed, it is going to concate this number to this string, so that we will get 8 CYDEO 8. Okay, so the output of this print statement, it should be 8 CYDEO 8. So make sure you know the execution order of those operators. Make sure you know the operator precedence, and make sure that you also know the difference between the addition and concatenation. Thank you so much, everyone. See you all in the next video.